Tools 230-piece metric technician's toolkit in a Tech Series toolbox. The Tech Series roller cabinet is 745mm wide and 480mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers with various drawer depths. The roller cabinet features a stainless steel worktop which incorporates twin fibre reinforced polymer tool holders at each end. The drawers are equipped with soft closing, full extension ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair, and on larger drawers where dual slides are used, this increases to 80 kilograms. The sides of the box is equipped with Recept gripped handles. Extra storage is available in the sides for holding aerosol cans, a paper towel holder and a waste paper bin. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy-duty castors, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel castors have an easy one-touch brake hold and release. The corner of the tool chest features bump protection corner strips to help maintain the high-quality dual-layer UV-resistant powder coat finish. The tools. SP Tools 106-piece metric socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric sockets 4 to 14mm, quarter drive metric deep sockets 4 to 14mm, quarter drive metric in-hex bit sockets 3 to 6mm, quarter drive Torx bit sockets T10 to T25, quarter drive Phillips and slotted bit sockets. 3/8 drive metric 8 to 24mm, 3/8 drive metric deep sockets 8 to 24mm, 3/8 drive metric in-hex bit sockets 6 to 10mm, 3/8 drive Torx bit sockets T27 to T50, 3/8 drive e-Torx sockets E6 to E8, and 3/8 drive 14, 16 and 21mm spark plug sockets. Quarter and 3/8 drive polished chrome 72 tooth ratchets, quarter and 3/8 drive polished chrome breaker bars, quarter and 3/8 drive universal joints, quarter drive spinner handle, and a range of quarter and 3/8 drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 29-piece metric spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 24mm, flare nut spanners 10 to 22mm, e-Torx spanners E6 to E20, and brake bleed double ring spanners 8 by 10 and 9 by 11mm. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key set, 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8, and 9-piece Torx set T10 to T50. A 31-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet with metric bits 1.5 to 7mm, SAE bits 1/16 to 1/4, and Torx bits T8 to T45, and a 4-piece mini hook and pick set. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points. These include a 200mm diagonal cutter with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose plier with dual texture grip, and 200mm combination plier with dual texture grip. A 250mm 3-rivet heavy-duty locking plier that features chrome alloy jaws, 250mm heavy-duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and a 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel. A 7-piece chrome moly pin punch set, sizes 2mm through to 10mm. A 16-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source. An SP Tools 8-metre tape measure. The kit also includes a razor scraper, 25-piece metric feeler gauge set, a universal reversible oil filter wrench, safety glasses and earplugs.